into the video. So what's the definition of thematic analysis? Thematic analysis is the process of identifying patterns or themes within qualitative data. Most of the time, thematic analysis is guided by research questions, aims, or objectives. When do we use thematic analysis? Thematic analysis is particularly useful when looking for subjective information such as participants' experiences, views, and opinions. For this reason, thematic analysis is often conducted on data derived from interviews, conversations, open-ended survey responses, or even social media posts. Now, here are examples of studies that can rely on thematic analysis. For example, a study exploring various coping mechanisms employed by individuals dealing with trauma or stress, research investigating students' perceptions and experiences with online learning platforms, a study examining the experiences of patients managing chronic illnesses such as diabetes or hypertension. Now that we understand what is thematic analysis, let's examine the two main approaches to thematic